Right, most practical work involves drilling holes for some reason or other, often to put a fastener in, but maybe for other reasons as well. So for using with wood, there are three types of drill bit. These are flat bits, and a variety of sizes. They cut quite quickly. These are twist drills. These are for wood or metal or plastic. Accurate size holes, only up to about 12-13 millimeters. These are called Forstner bits, and they'll cut accurate flat bottomed holes. These are imperial sizes, so these are inch sizes of this particular set. The others are all millimeters. Right, so we're going to use in this case, a 10 millimeter drill bit to make a hole in this piece of wood. The first thing you must do is to mark out where you want the hole, and in this case I want it just there. So the drill must go in the drilling machine here. There's the chuck. As you turn the chuck body, then the jaws come out the bottom and they get smaller. The gap between them gets smaller, so you hold smaller drills the more you turn it. In this case I've got to back it off a bit and get the 10mm drill in there. Hold it on the parallel part of the drill, or in the case of a Forstner bit, on the hexagon shaped end there, not anywhere else. So we'll put that in the drilling machine, tighten it up by hand, make sure it's in there properly, and then take the chuck key, which sits on a chain on the back of the drill, and put it in there so the teeth engage with the teeth in the chuck, and turn it round and tighten it up. Do not leave the chuck key in the chuck in case it's accidentally turned on. Right, bring the guard down, and we've got now to hold our piece of work in the right place. Now a big piece of wood like this, I'd probably hold it in my hand and drill through, but if it's smaller and if you're not confident, you might like to use a G-clamp. Now there must always be a piece of scrap wood underneath where you're drilling, always, without exception. And you might find that the drill doesn't quite reach it. In this case it does, but if it doesn't, then you need to raise this table so that the drill will reach it, or alternatively you might need to lower it. Now the way you do that is clear the table, hold the weight of the table and undo this screw at the back. Raise it or lower it depending on what you want to do. I'll just bring it up a little bit, and then tighten it up while you're holding it. Now you might find that a bit tricky, but most things in life are. So let's go back to where we were now, ready to clamp our piece of wood down. Bring the drill down so you can see that it's in the right place, just on that cross, and then take a G-clamp and put that on the drill table. You might have to open it out a bit first, and it's approximately the right size. Out there. Bring the drill back to play into the right position. Check it's there. That's right. Then hold it all together. You might get someone to tighten it up for you, but it's possible to do it on your own. That's quite safe now. You haven't got to hold it. All you've got to do now is turn the machine on with the green button, and then put the bring the drill down. All the way through, and then switch off. Now, when you use the drilling machine, there's 3 safety precautions to remember. You must be wearing safety glasses, you mustn't have any loose hair or any loose clothing.